By clicking on the name of your company, you can access a menu from which you can navigate through your infrastructure. From here, you can navigate the so-called asset tree. The first thing you see are the sites in your infrastructure. These elements correspond to the locations where objects under the control of Xautomata are present. If you have access to a dashboard with a map widget, the position of the elements on the map would correspond to the geolocation of these sites, where appropriate. Within a site, there are groups. A group is a logical grouping of objects, useful for distinguishing objects in the infrastructure by their function. Within a group, there are objects. Objects represent the component that makes up a certain type of activity. Examples of objects are virtual machines, internet lines, as well as applications or services. Inside an object, we find the metric types, which are nothing but logical groupers of metrics. Within a metric type, we find the last level of the tree, the metrics. Metrics represent the ultimate resource retrieved by Xautomata probes from the various monitoring systems with which it is integrated. This resource can be anything. On the screen, we see the percentage of CPU usage of a computer. Metrics are divided into two categories: state metrics and value metrics. Value metrics are like the one indicated here and are linked to time series that can be displayed on a graph. State metrics, on the other hand, represent the quality of a resource, can be green, yellow, or red, and are linked to a greater number of metadata. It is possible to view multiple metrics simultaneously with the flag. On the left side of the page, we always have the expandable menu with more general valuable information about your company. Expanding the Customers menu gives you direct access to search for elements in your infrastructure. For example, by clicking on the Metrics category, you can search for all your metrics according to the indicated search fields. If I enter CPU, I get all the metrics that have CPU in the name. I can jump directly to the Metric tab and view its data.